Yeah, so I actually said this during the presentation quite a bit, that purpose, if we as leaders can really find our own personal purpose and also ensure that our teams have purpose, that'll be the biggest thing we can take away from the sessions, at least that I led. Well, I think you don't have to go back 5. You could probably just go back about 2.5, maybe 3, where the biggest change that has taken place over the 5 years. I think it's obvious is the pandemic and how it caused us to shift. The need for agility in manufacturing has been probably one of the biggest shifts that I've seen, and how things have changed. And the other big part of that is, while we focus on continuous improvement and lean concepts, they can be no more true now in this need for agility around changeover, being able to flip and get it from one product to another, but more importantly in that pivot or changing in agility is about customer needs. For those that are making chips or computers, that was a huge boom for computers or laptops and those types of things for the manufacturing environment, or the environment we're in today, or that we've been in for the last 2.5 years. So I think being able to pivot, understand that the work from home piece is potentially around with us for a good period of time. And so how do we then make our opportunities, the proposition for work, meaningful and mutually beneficial for everyone, for the company as well as our associates. The resources and the people that are actually brought in to this, whether those participants, meaning they're in the audience really picking up and learning, or if it's the presenters, I believe there is a great wealth of knowledge shared, and it's all because of the diversity of the resources that were brought in, again, people. Yeah. Yeah, it's been outstanding, actually. I presented on yesterday, and just this morning as I was walking into this session here, folks just pulled me to the side and said, hey, I like this component of what you shared, or hey, would love to connect with you more. So that's been a huge part that I really enjoyed here, is about the camaraderie that's been built in a very quick moments. And it shares the need for leaders to come together, to actually spend time together, and so that was big for me. The big takeaway of how we were able to come together. Again, the subject matter, the topics that we were talking about, they're relevant. They're relevant for us all. So I think that was the big piece that I'll take away from here. And I definitely had a lot of business cards. Didn't expect people to still have those, but yeah, that was great. Yeah.